Are you looking to eat healthier without sacrificing taste? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of food swaps, simple yet impactful changes you can make to your diet to boost your well-being. We all know how challenging it can be to make healthy choices in our busy lives. That's why we're here to show you that eating better doesn't have to be complicated or boring. From upgrading your morning coffee to satisfying your cravings, we've got 8 swaps lined up that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. But before we jump into the kitchen, let's take a moment to understand why these swaps are important. By making healthier choices, you're not just improving your physical health, but also your mental well-being. So, are you ready to discover how small changes can lead to big results? Grab a seat, get comfy, and let's embark on this journey to a healthier, happier you. Welcome to Food Swaps for a Healthier You. Let's make every bite count. Now that we've set the stage for our healthy eating adventure, we want to hear from you. What are your favorite healthy swaps or recipes? Share your thoughts, tips, and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to try out these swaps. And be sure to share it with friends and family who could use some inspiration for healthier eating habits. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos packed with delicious recipes, helpful tips, and wellness advice. Your support means the world to us, and together, we can make healthy eating accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Let's get started. 8 healthy swaps for everyday foods and drinks. Now, we'll explore 8 simple swaps for everyday foods and drinks that can help you embrace a healthier lifestyle. Each swap is backed by scientific evidence and designed to make your journey to wellness enjoyable and sustainable. Number 1. Homemade low-sugar creamer for coffee. Store-bought coffee creamers are often packed with added sugars, contributing to weight gain, insulin resistance, and other health issues. Research published in the Journal of the American Medical Association links high consumption of added sugars to obesity and related metabolic disorders. Instead, opt for a homemade low-sugar creamer using coconut milk, maple syrup, and vanilla extract to enjoy the smoothness of the creamer without the harmful effects of excess sugar. Number 2. Sparkling water, green tea, or kombucha instead of soda. Studies published in reputable journals like the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and the Journal of the American College of Cardiology have extensively documented the detrimental health effects associated with regular consumption of sugary beverages. These effects include an elevated risk of developing chronic conditions such as diabetes, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. By swapping out soda for healthier alternatives like sparkling water, green tea, or kombucha, you can effectively reduce your intake of added sugars and artificial sweeteners while staying adequately hydrated. This simple dietary change not only helps mitigate the risk of chronic diseases, but also promotes overall well-being and vitality. Number 3. Oatmeal, chia pudding, or yogurt parfait instead of sugary cereal. Research published in the Nutrients Journal has shed light on the concerning link between high-sugar cereals, especially those targeted at children, and behavioral issues in kids. These cereals often contain high-fructose corn syrup and artificial additives, which can negatively impact children's behavior and attention span. On the flip side, opting for high-fiber, high-protein breakfast options like oatmeal, chia pudding, or yogurt parfaits can work wonders for stabilizing blood sugar levels and keeping hunger at bay throughout the day. By starting your day with these nutritious breakfast choices, you're not only fueling your body with essential nutrients, but also reducing the risk of overeating later on. It's a win-win for both your health and your mood. Number 4. Healthy or homemade granola bars. Commercial granola bars often contain added sugars and unhealthy ingredients. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that homemade granola bars made with nuts, oats, seeds, and dried fruit are lower in added sugars and higher in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients compared to store-bought varieties. Brands like Thunderbird, RX, and Kind bars offer healthier options with whole foods and minimal added sugars. Number 5. Teas and coffee instead of energy drinks. According to research published in the International Journal of Health Sciences, regularly consuming energy drinks can lead to a range of health concerns, such as irregular heartbeat, high blood pressure, and feelings of anxiety. These beverages often contain high levels of caffeine and other stimulants, which can have adverse effects on your heart and overall well-being. But fear not. You can still get a natural energy boost without the added risks by swapping out energy drinks for healthier alternatives like green tea, black tea, or coffee. These unsweetened caffeinated beverages provide the pick-me-up you need without loading you up with added sugars or potentially harmful ingredients. So, next time you're feeling tired and in need of a boost, reach for one of these healthier options and keep your body happy and energized. Number 6. Homemade chips or roasted chickpeas instead of store-bought chips. Did you know that those tasty commercial potato chips we love munching on are often loaded with unhealthy fats and additives? Yup, they might taste delicious, but they're not doing our bodies any favors. Luckily, there's a better way to satisfy your crunchy cravings. Research published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology shows that homemade alternatives like baked potato chips or roasted chickpeas are not only lower in calories, but also packed with good stuff like fiber and protein. So, next time you're craving a crunchy snack, consider whipping up a batch of homemade chips or roasted chickpeas. Not only will they give you that satisfying crunch you're after, but they'll also nourish your body with nutrients without any of the artificial stuff found in store-bought snacks. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your health. Number 7. Whole grain or sprouted bread instead of white bread. White bread lacks nutritional value compared to whole grain or sprouted bread. Studies published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition and the Journal of Nutrition have shown that whole grain breads are higher in fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals, promoting better overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Swap white bread for options like Ezekiel bread or sweet potato toast for a nutrient-rich alternative. Number 8. Dried fruit or dark chocolate instead of candy. Let's talk about candy. It's oh so tempting, but not so great for our health. Why? Because it's often packed with added sugars and empty calories, which can lead to weight gain and other health issues. But fear not. There are delicious alternatives that not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also offer some health benefits. Research from the Journal of Nutrition shows that dried fruits like strawberries, mango, or apples are naturally sweet and packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. So, when you're craving something sweet, reach for a handful of dried fruit instead of candy. And how about dark chocolate? It's a winner too. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism have found that dark chocolate contains antioxidants and can satisfy your sweet cravings with less sugar than traditional candy bars. So, go ahead, indulge in some dark chocolate guilt-free. It's a sweet treat that's good for you too. In Food Swaps for a Healthier You, we covered 8 easy swaps to upgrade your diet. We started by replacing sugary coffee creamer with a homemade, low-sugar alternative. Then, we traded soda for sparkling water, green tea, or kombucha to avoid the negative health effects of sugary drinks. As we wrap up our journey through Food Swaps for a Healthier You, we hope you found inspiration and practical tips to elevate your eating habits. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Sharing is caring, and together, we can spread the message of healthy eating far and wide. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos packed with delicious recipes, helpful tips, and wellness advice. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. Here's to making every bite count and living your best life.